Who wants to eat?
Something very special just arrived for Elliot and Olivia. It's Pure Cravings, the only cat food that Mercury tests every fish. 100% traceable, human grade, sustainably caught. Let's check out the flavors. We're starting with the lamb and chicken recipe today. Smells like actual food. Elliot and Olivia are patiently waiting. Dinner delivery service incoming. Elliot's skeptical as always, but Olivia's always ready to rumble. And just like that, it's a hit. Even Elliot approves, and he never trusts new food on the first try. Clean bowls, happy cats, safe seafood. 10 out of 10, would lick again. Grab yours now for 10% off with the code CATINFLUENCER Network.